Hello, mathematicians. Because this is new for me, I forgot to take attendance yesterday. Sorry about that. I'm going to try to remember to do that each day. Sorry. And I do have a plan, but I'll start out gently. Calling all mathematicians to math class. 102 mathematicians, please give me a wave. 103 mathematicians, please give me a wave. 104 mathematicians, please give me a wave. 171 mathematicians, give me a wave. 206 mathematicians, give me a wave. Welcome. Today's the last day for linear measurement. Remember? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 3 days of linear measurement. Tape measure is a linear measurement tool. Goodbye for now. Ruler, foot ruler, is a linear measurement tool. Goodbye for now. And the yardstick, linear measurement. Goodbye for now. Did anybody have a chance to use a ruler or a yardstick somewhere in your house with permission to measure something? I hope so. And even not just this week, anytime if you're looking for something to do. Exactly how wide is that bookshelf? How tall is my favorite book? How wide is that thick book on Mom's table? Just saying. Okay, coming back to our measurement thinking for this week. 3 types of measurement: linear measurement, weight measurement, and capacity measurement. Length, how long something is, the distance from one end to the other. Weight, tomorrow's work, the measure of how heavy an object is. And capacity, the amount of space an object fills, or its volume. When we measure linear measurements, we're thinking of 3 types. Do you remember them? Length, width, and height. Length, how long something is, the distance from one end to the other. Width, how wide something is, the distance across from side to side, like across the bowling alley. And height, the measurement from top to bottom. The Eiffel Tower. I could still teach about the Eiffel Tower too. I could. Linear measurements. Do you remember these 3? Can you read these words with me? Inch, foot, and yard. Yard, you would say? I would say yard. Inch, 12 inches equals 1 elbow. Foot, 1 foot equals 12 inches. Yard, 1 yard equals 36 inches, or 3 knees. Did you catch my mistakes? I hope so. Longer measurements, remember? Mile and meter. Okay, let's take a look at today's measurements. Our last ones in linear measurement, although please continue to learn and practice linear measurements beyond today. It's our last teaching day for that. Okay, the 3 pages look like this. Using a ruler to measure length. Well, only if we turn it that way. That should be more correctly stated as using a ruler to measure height, right? If we're going to be exact. Using a ruler to measure and mark length. Remember, we did that yesterday. And using a ruler to measure and mark height. Okay, so now they have it right. Now these are repeats. So I'm going to just remind you how to do this. Using this ruler that's next to the pencils, or remember you can get your own pencils, and then, get your own ruler and use that as a double check or to replace it. Writing the number and remembering the math symbol. I'm not going to show you because you're going to remember that. And you can still do that cutting apart and putting them in order. On this one, pretending you're going to use this rectangular prism to make a project, and you need an exact measurement. Using your ruler, drawing the line, and then coloring the part that you need and will keep. Putting them in size order as an extra, building a picture with them. Like if you had those blocks for real. And similarly with this page. Clear for everybody? Good remembering gives us a double practice because we did work on that process and those types of measurements before. Happy measuring. Oh no, the song. Ready? Weigh and measure, oh what fun, oh what fun, oh what fun. Weigh and measure, oh what fun, weigh and measure. Measure inches, measure feet, measure yards, oh how neat. Measure meters, measure miles, weigh and measure.